Okay, go. Let me know when you're going.
Ready.
The first thing to get down, in my opinion, is you can either just strum all 6 strings. That was a slide on I'm going to divide the strings into halves now, 3 and 3. So what I'm going to do here, for the most part, I'm going to try to be exact, but I might not be, because you can ballpark with this, is the big 3 strings are going to stay open. I'm going to be sliding the little 3 strings, 3 strings, 3, 2, and 1. And I'm going to do this now with just a pick stroke. And so what I'm attempting to do here is to get my slide to stop on the 12th fret so it matches. If I don't get it right, I'll start wiggling it, because I know I meant to do that. Really, honestly, I did. And I find myself, when I'm doing this, everybody goes, where do you start? I'll start 3 or 4 frets away from where I'm sliding sometimes. And sometimes I'll start 1 or 2 frets away. But 3, this is... Here I'm on the 7th fret. Going to the 12th. Here I'm on the 9th. Here the 8th. Doesn't sound as good if you really hear the 8th. The 7th sounds really good. The 9th sounds fine. So does the 11th. If I can get it in tune. So that's one way to do that. The other way to do that is this thing that I do a lot. 6, 3 and 2, 3 and 2. And then what I want to do when I'm doing this is pick up 1 with this finger. I noticed you were playing 1 with that finger, very doable. But I'm reserving this finger for me, for the most part, for this string here. This is hanging out on 2 mostly. Once in a while, if I'm playing that Little Red Rooster lick, which I'll do in a while, I'll put both of these on 2 and 1. But usually they hang out on 3 and 2 rather than 2 and 1. And if I want 1, this kind of goes over there. So... that I had my hand, I was dampening the slide, and it just goes away. That's interesting. We didn't talk, but that's 3, 2, 3, and then up to 1. And this is in different places when I'm hitting 3 and 2 and 1, and it sounds like I'm doing all kinds of, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just kind of going for it. And it's such an open tuning, so that things are just going to work, especially when you resolve them. That's why that can work so well. And I'm just going da-da-da-da-da-da. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not doing it in a particular place. I'm just trying to do more, right? Okay. So that's that. So you can stop with that.